Hello everyone, this is Divyapriya from the Department of AUS. I am going to explain the experiment 5 in web data mining, information retrieval using Boolean model in Python. The aim is to implement the information retrieval using Boolean method model in Python. Description: the Boolean model information retrieval is a fundamental model used for searching and retrieving information from a collection of documents. It operates on the principles of set theory and logic, where documents are represented as sets of terms or words, and queries are expressed as Boolean expressions using logical operators such as and, or, and not. Procedure: first initialize the Boolean retrieval class, then constructor and index initialization, then index the documents, fetch the web page text, and Boolean search. Use this program to get the following output. First import the numpy as np and import pandas as pd, then create the class Boolean retrieval. In this line, documents is equal to Python is a programming language. Information retrieval deals with finding information. Boolean models are used in information retrieval. Each document is indexed using index document of document ID text. This line, query is equal to input of enter your Boolean query. After indexing, the user is prompted to enter a Boolean query. Then the Boolean search of query method is called to return the documents that match the query. The results are printed. This line, create documents matrix of documents. After indexing, this method is called to generate the document term matrix. Then use if else to print the result. This is the output we got here. Result: implementation of information retrieval using Boolean model in Python is successfully completed.